Hi, my name is Derek Narenberg, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a mobile trail map with a GPS track, how to share it to Facebook and Twitter, and how to download and follow it using the JuicyTrails mobile trail map. Okay, so let's create a mobile trail map. Just go to JuicyTrails.com, create an account, and then log in. You'll be brought to your user dashboard. From there, just click Maps, Add Map, give your map a title. That is going to auto-generate a slug, which you probably don't need to change. This is the area where you can enter content that's displayed in the information box and downloaded maps. I'm just going to copy and paste some content that I created there. Search keywords help people find maps if they're not familiar with the title that you give a map. So I recommend entering a nearby city and state and the activity intended in the mobile map. So I'm going to go Sargent's, Colorado, mountain biking. This is the area where you can adjust the tile quality. I recommend not changing that unless you really need to. This is the area where you determine how a map is published. If you do not want anyone to be able to find your mobile trail map, do not publish it or list it. If you publish it, people will be able to find it via its direct URL address or its map code. If you list it, the map will be displayed as a map marker in the JuicyTrails map, and people will be able to search for it and find it. This is the map anchor section, which I'm going to skip for now. Map marker section, which I'm also going to skip. Probably don't need to mess with the map bounds at all. So here is the area where we actually create the mobile trail map. Probably going to want to move the map away from Crested Butte, which is where the map opens by default. So I'm going to go Sargent's, Colorado. And the trail is actually 10 miles north of there. And this is the area where I want to make the mobile trail map around Canyon Creek. To select the tiles that will be downloaded in the mobile trail map, you just left click the map area, and the downloaded tiles will appear as these transparent orange squares here. You can deselect the map tiles to be downloaded by left clicking them again. Alright, so those are the map tiles that will be downloaded. The next thing you want to do is to place the anchor point for the mobile trail map. This is the anchor point determines where the map opens when a user opens the mobile trail map. It also determines the point where the map markers are displayed on the JuicyTrails map for the mobile map. So I'm going to zoom in. Actually, just stay right there. What I often do is after I select the download tiles, I'll just click this bring anchor to the center of map, and there's our anchor point. And what I usually do is I place the anchor on top of a trail, so users will recognize it when they open the trail, the mobile trail map. You can also add map markers to the map by right clicking where you would like for the map markers to go. So I'm going to right click right there, and I'm going to change the map marker style up here to parking. I'm going to give it a description. This is a snowblind campground. And if you click this directions button, that'll provide Google Map directions via a link when a user clicks on the map marker. So for instance, when I click this, we get that description. There's the link that'll open up the Google Maps app, giving users directions to that map marker. Okay, so I'll zoom out so you can see what that looks like. So you can create mobile trail maps just like this that do not have tracks, or you can select tracks to include in the map. Only listed tracks will appear in the map. And if you want to see other listed tracks in the map, click that button right there, and it'll provide a list of tracks that are available within this viewing area of the map. I don't want to select other tracks right now. I'll select this Canyon Creek loop, and So it's going to include this GPS track that I created here with waypoints in the map. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to select a map marker. There are different styles that you can select from. The JuicyTrails orange map marker is intended for multi-user trail maps. This is a mountain biking map with the track, so I'll select that. Okay, so after you save a mobile trail map, you can share it to Facebook. And Facebook shares look better if you provide a promotional image and a description. So I'll just go up here real quick and grab this content that I created here and include that in the description. And to create the promotional image, you can use most any type of image that you want. We usually take a screenshot of this mobile trail map that we created here. So this is a Mac, so I'm just going to go Shift Command 4 and take a screenshot here. And then I'll go down here to the choose file in the promotional image and go to my desktop, and that's it. Now it's time to save the mobile trail map. Okay, so once a map is saved, you'll be presented with this preview page. From here you can share it to Facebook. That's the screenshot that we took and the description that we provided. You can tweet a link of it to Twitter. And from this page, which you can share, you can download an offline map or get the online map. Okay, so I would just like to take a moment to show you how to find and download and follow mobile trail maps using JuicyTrails. So you can see here I've already added JuicyTrails.com to my home screen to make it work like an app. So I'll just click on it. Now there are 3 ways you can find mobile trail maps in JuicyTrails. The first way is by clicking on this map list button, and that'll show you a list of maps that's available for download within this map viewing area. Second way is just by zooming in to a map marker and then clicking on it. And you can see that from here we can download it. Another way is by entering a search in this Find and Download Maps field. So I'll just type in Canyon Creek. And if we scroll down, we can see that 9 maps were found that match that search. The first one is this Canyon Creek loop, and we can download it right from here. Okay, after the map downloads, we can see the map tiles, the GPS track, and the waypoints that were all included in the mobile map download. And I'll also point out that this map, once it's downloaded into JuicyTrails, you can always find it under My Maps and follow it even when you're offline. Okay, that's it. That's how you can create a mobile map with a track and follow it in JuicyTrails. Thanks for watching.